Have you ever woken up with that lingering and welcome taste in your mouth, even after brushing the night before? Do you constantly worry about your breath when talking to someone up close, finding yourself subtly turning your head or reaching for a mint, just in case? Or perhaps you're one of the millions who experience the sudden, sharp jolt of pain from sensitive teeth when you sip on something cold, or even breathe in crisp air on a chilly morning. It's a frustrating reality for so many of us, this constant battle with our oral health, and it often feels like we're fighting a losing war, despite all the brushing, flossing, and rinsing we diligently do. We follow all the advice, yet still, those nagging issues persist: persistent bad breath, bleeding gums, sensitivity that makes enjoying simple foods a painful ordeal, or the never-ending cycle of cavities and dental appointments that feel like a financial drain and a source of constant anxiety. What if there was a deeper reason behind these recurring problems, something that conventional oral hygiene products just aren't designed to address? What if the key to a truly healthy mouth, fresh breath, and strong teeth has been right under our noses, but entirely overlooked? Prepare to have your understanding of oral health completely transformed. Let's really dive into the heart of this frustration. Think about the last time you were at a social gathering. Did you hold back from laughing openly because you were self-conscious about your smile? Did you hesitate to lean in for a conversation, a whisper of doubt creeping into your mind about your breath? It's more than just a minor inconvenience. It chips away at our confidence, affecting how we interact with the world, how we express ourselves, and even how we perceive ourselves. Imagine trying to enjoy a delicious ice cream on a warm day, only to be met with a searing pain that shoots through your teeth, forcing you to abandon the treat. Or perhaps you've been on a date, feeling amazing, until a fleeting thought of bad breath sends a wave of panic, making you less present, less confident. The relentless cycle of dental issues can be exhausting, both emotionally and financially. You dutifully brush twice a day, floss, use mouthwash, and still, your dentist finds another cavity, another sign of gum inflammation. You invest in expensive whitening treatments, special toothpastes for sensitivity, and countless gadgets promising to fix everything, yet the underlying problems seem to linger. It's like putting a band-aid on a gaping wound, addressing the symptoms but never truly getting to the root cause. This continuous struggle leads to a sense of helplessness, making us believe that perhaps this is just our lot, that we are destined to deal with these discomforts and anxieties for the rest of our lives. Think about the financial strain, the regular cleanings, the fillings, the root canals, the gum treatments. They add up, often costing thousands over a lifetime. It's money that could be spent on vacations, hobbies, or securing your future, but instead, it's being poured into a seemingly endless battle to maintain basic oral comfort. And beyond the money, there's the time hours spent in waiting rooms, in dental chairs, recovering from procedures. It's time stolen from work, from family, from leisure. The emotional toll is perhaps the most significant. The embarrassment of chronic bad breath can lead to social isolation, making you avoid close interactions and even intimate moments. The pain from sensitive teeth can make eating a chore rather than a pleasure, limiting your diet and leading to frustration. Bleeding gums can be alarming, a constant reminder that something isn't right, sparking fears of more serious conditions down the line. These aren't just minor irritations, they are pervasive stressors that impact your overall quality of life, your mood, and your self-esteem. We've been told for decades that proper brushing and flossing are the ultimate keys to oral health. And while they are undeniably important, what if they're not the complete picture? What if the real culprit behind many of our persistent oral health challenges isn't just a lack of cleaning, but an imbalance within our very own mouths? What if the solution isn't about scrubbing harder or rinsing more often, but about nurturing a healthy ecosystem right there, where it all begins? This is where true curiosity should spark. What if there was a breakthrough, a revolutionary approach that transforms your oral environment from the inside out, finally offering a lasting solution to those frustrating, persistent problems that have plagued you for years? Get ready to discover something truly revolutionary, something that is changing the landscape of oral health as we know it. Forget everything you thought you knew about maintaining a healthy mouth, because the real secret isn't just about eliminating bacteria, it's about balancing them. Introducing ProDentim, the groundbreaking new solution designed to tackle the root cause of many common oral health issues, not just mask the symptoms. This isn't just another toothpaste or mouthwash. ProDentim represents an entirely new frontier in dental care, a strategic approach that goes beyond the surface to cultivate a thriving, protective environment within your mouth. It's time to stop fighting a losing battle against symptoms and start building a fortress of natural defense. So, what exactly is ProDentim and how does it achieve such remarkable results? At its core, ProDentim is a unique, powerful blend of 3.5 billion probiotic strains, meticulously combined with a proprietary blend of plants and minerals, all working synergistically to support the health of your teeth and gums. Think of your mouth not just as a place where food goes, but as a complex ecosystem, a delicate microbiome teeming with both good and bad bacteria. Traditional oral hygiene often focuses on eradicating all bacteria, including the beneficial ones that play a crucial role in maintaining balance and protecting your oral health. ProDentim, on the other hand, is designed to replenish and nourish the good bacteria, empowering your mouth's natural defenses to thrive. Let's break down some of the incredible components within ProDentim that make it so effective. Imagine a team of tiny superheroes working tirelessly within your mouth. First, you have Lactobacillus paracasei, a powerful probiotic strain known for supporting the health of your gums and helping to keep your sinuses clear, promoting overall upper respiratory well-being. Then there's Lactobacillus reuteri, another beneficial strain that's excellent for reducing inflammation throughout the body, including your gums, and contributing to a healthy oral environment that naturally resists the proliferation of harmful bacteria. Next, ProDentim features B.lactisbil04, a well-researched probiotic that not only helps balance the good bacteria in your mouth but also supports a healthy respiratory tract and a robust immune system. This means it's not just working wonders for your mouth, but for your overall well-being too. We also have Bliss K12 and Bliss M18. Bliss K12 is specifically designed to support the health of your upper respiratory system and immune function, giving you an extra layer of protection. Bliss M18 is a truly remarkable addition, known for its ability to support healthy teeth and gums, helping to keep your mouth feeling fresh and clean, contributing significantly to long-lasting fresh breath. But ProDentim doesn't stop there. It also includes inulin, a prebiotic fiber that acts as vital nourishment for these beneficial probiotic strains, ensuring they can flourish and multiply effectively within your mouth. This creates a sustainable environment where the good bacteria can truly dominate. We then add malic acid, a natural compound often found in strawberries, which is known for its ability to help maintain tooth whiteness, giving you a brighter, more confident smile. Decalcium phosphate is included to support strong, healthy teeth, contributing to their resilience and overall integrity. And finally, for that refreshing, invigorating sensation, ProDentim incorporates natural spearmint and peppermint, not just for their pleasant taste, but also for their natural anti-inflammatory and breath-freshening properties. So, what does this all mean for you? The benefits of ProDentim are truly transformative. Imagine waking up each day with genuinely fresh breath, a clean feeling that lasts, without the need for endless mints or mouthwash. Picture enjoying your favorite hot or cold foods without the fear of sharp, shooting pains from sensitive teeth. Envision a future where your gums are pink, firm, and healthy, no longer bleeding when you brush or floss. Think about the confidence that comes with a brighter, healthier smile, knowing that you're not just covering up problems, but actively nurturing a balanced, resilient oral environment. ProDentim helps reduce the risk of cavities by promoting a healthy pH balance and deterring the growth of cavity-causing bacteria. It actively supports gum health, leading to fewer instances of gingivitis and periodontitis. It naturally freshens breath by addressing the bacterial imbalances that are often the root cause of halitosis. And it contributes to stronger, more resilient teeth from within. Using ProDentim couldn't be simpler. It comes in the form of a small, dissolvable tablet. All you need to do is gently chew one tablet slowly each morning, allowing the beneficial ingredients to dissolve and spread throughout your mouth, where they can immediately begin their work of repopulating your oral microbiome. This simple daily routine takes mere seconds but sets the stage for a day, and indeed a lifetime, of superior oral health. Many users report noticeable improvements in breath freshness and gum comfort within just a few weeks, with more profound and lasting benefits emerging over consistent use. ProDentim is non-GMO, gluten-free, and manufactured in an FDA-registered facility, ensuring purity and potency. It's a natural, easy, and incredibly effective way to support your oral health from a completely new and comprehensive perspective. You've heard about the problems, and now you know about the truly revolutionary solution. If you're tired of the endless cycle of dental issues, the frustration, the pain, and the self-consciousness, then it's time to experience the ProDentim difference for yourself. Don't let another day go by feeling less than confident about your smile or your breath. The future of your oral health is within your grasp. To learn more about ProDentim and take the first step towards a healthier, happier mouth, simply click the link in the description below this video, or check the pinned comment. The demand for ProDentim is soaring as more and more people discover its incredible benefits, so don't hesitate. Click the link now to secure your supply and begin your journey to truly optimal oral health. This could be the breakthrough you've been searching for. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video and learn about this exciting new approach to oral health. I truly hope that this information has empowered you and given you hope for a future with a confident smile and healthy mouth. Here's to leaving those dental frustrations behind and embracing a life where you can speak, laugh, and eat without a second thought. If you found this video helpful, please consider giving it a thumbs up, sharing it with friends or family who might benefit, and subscribing to our channel for more valuable insights and solutions to everyday challenges. Your support means the world to us. Until next time, stay well, stay happy, and keep shining that beautiful, healthy smile.